Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure the speaker has battery and the source device has Bluetooth enabled. This avoids interruptions. Once the speaker is charged, press and hold the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds until you hear a tone or see an LED flash. This indicates power and readiness. Next, open Bluetooth settings on your phone or laptop and keep the devices close, within 10 meters, so the pairing handshake is fast and reliable. Now you're ready to enter pairing mode. You put the speaker into pairing mode by pressing its Bluetooth button until the LED alternates or the voice prompt announces pairing. This tells the speaker to broadcast its name. Then on your phone or computer, tap the listed device name, usually labeled Xiaomi followed by numbers, and accept any PIN prompt. Most models use 0000 or 1234. Once connected, adjust the phone's output volume and the speaker's volume separately, because each controls gain differently. Try a short track to confirm stereo. You can now play music, take calls, and use onboard controls. The speaker keeps the last paired device for quick reconnection. If you want to connect a second device, either enable multi-point on your source or clear the speaker's pairing list before pairing again, because old pairings can block new ones. Make sure firmware is up to date for best codec and battery performance. If pairing fails, perform a reset. Hold power and Bluetooth buttons together for 8 to 10 seconds, and then try pairing again. That usually fixes ghost connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.